Alright, got the Yak-130 using the Hobby Star 6S 4200. It's a little lighter battery in this. I'm going to have to retrim it, so sorry it's out there a little ways. Got somebody flying over to my left, so he's got a little small park flyer, so I can't get over in the east-west pattern that I normally take. Slow pass here in front of us. Ooh, got a sundog in my eye. Nothing fancy on this flight. Try a low pass here in front of us. Low and slow. That's just coasting. Back onto the throttle. Uh-oh. Almost lost it there. I really don't like this pattern with the sun where it's at. Wheels are down. We're going to go ahead and land. Still got a lot of time left on the battery, but I am not good with the sun in my eyes. There it is, free wing Yak-130. It's a good flying plane. Probably one of the fastest EDFs that I have, actually. It's a 70mm. Thanks for watching.